what's your poppin' with ya? So in this video we just gonna get right into it. So I'm doing a heart shaped pigtail style that Cardi B wore. I keep seeing it on my explore page, so I was like, let me try this. I never did nothing like that, so let's explore. So yeah, I will be inserting a picture up there, so yeah, so just in case y'all don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm starting off with a middle part, but I had washed it before everything because it had old gel in it and stuff. So what I'm doing is doing a middle part all the way down to the back because that's how I look, but it's gonna be a bang in the front, if that makes sense. So it's like a middle part all the way to the back, but it's gonna be a bang in the front type stuff. So you're gonna see what I'm talking about. I don't know how to explain it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm actually gonna take this gel. It's like gel from the dollar store I had got. I use this on a doll head because I feel like it's better and it's easier to wash out and stuff. So yeah, and this is what I'm talking about with the bang thing. It's a middle part all the way to the back, but like it's a part, I don't know. It's a little bang in the front, but it's a middle part in the back. You see? Yeah. So just watch, cause I don't even know how to explain it to y'all. Then I just brushed the ponytails as high as I could because I try to mimic the picture as much as I could because I didn't even have a pink hair and I ain't had a pink dye and stuff, so I just went with what I got. So yeah, that's what you see me doing. Then you see me trying to fix the bang because that thing looked just so uneven. And when stuff look uneven to me, it take me forever to get it right. Like I be like, nah, it's missing something. I just be I be going through it, but I try to fix it so when I do get to the bang and slick it and everything, it look right. So yeah. Then I tried to mold the little bang towards the freaking ponytail because the little gel take forever to dry. So I started off like at the roots and brushed it through and everything. So when it is dry, it can be able to go in a ponytail. So I just molded it as much as I could and then clipped it down until it was dry or whatever. And then I put it inside the ponytail. But you'll see that when I do that. But yeah. after I blow dried it, I had started on the little ponytail designs and stuff. So I'm doing a braid that wraps around it. So if you don't know what that is, I'm gonna insert a picture because I'm trying to keep y'all up to date what I'm talking about, because I might be confused. So yeah, so I'm starting on the braid that wraps around the actual heart ponytail, and that's what I'm doing. So you'll see what I'm talking about. So after I finish doing the two braids that go around the heart ponytail, I'm starting on the heart because the heart is gonna take a lot of hair and you gotta really focus on it, but not really. So I'm gonna take a flexi rod, a curling rod, whatever you want to call it. So just comment down below what it is, cause I might be confused. So yeah, so I'm gonna just wrap the regular hair around it first, and then I'm gonna include whatever you want to call it, the the little purple hair around it, so it can cover up the flexi rod and the brown hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, comment down below if you think I'm doing it good. I don't know, explaining to you. Cause yeah, but yeah, that's what I did. So after I finished like molding the heart, the big heart, I actually went ahead and did like the outside, which was like a wiggly line outside of the heart, if that makes sense. So I'm not sure what it's supposed to be called. Comment down below if you know what it's supposed to be called. You know, the little wiggly line that's outside the heart. I'm gonna insert the picture, but like if you know what it's called, comment down below. Like let me know. Let me learn something. But yeah, I actually started on the wiggly lines. I wrapped the regular hair around the little, that's actually the inside of the curling rod, flexi rod, whatever you want to call it. So I took that out and then just shaped it into like the wiggly line and then wrapped the purple hair around it. That's what I did. So that's just basically what I did for both sides. But I'm going to just let y'all finish watching. And that's just on period. The excess, like the extra hair that was hanging out, I wrapped it inside the heart ponytail and then like inside out, and just clipped the little flexi rod on the heart actually to secure it. So yeah, then I bobby pinned the little heart up so it can stay up, if that makes sense. So you're just gonna see what I'm talking about, because I'm not even sure I'm explaining it right, but I bobby pinned it up, you know. Okay, yeah, then I just did the other side, same thing. Yeah. So that was the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying different things on my channel, so just stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification button because I am for to be posting. So that is just on period. Bye.